How you like that?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be recreating Jennie from BLACKPINK's makeup in the How You Like That teaser. I am so excited for the music video to drop. I think it'll drop actually tonight at 2 in the morning. So your girl is obviously going to be reacting to that, and I love Jennie, so I wanted to recreate this makeup look for you guys, and this was the finished results right here. Let me know in the comments how you guys think I did, if you guys like these tutorials. And also, dude, I tried recreating her hair. I don't know how her stylist did it. It was so hard, but granted I don't even have the same hair color as her, so it's a little bit more difficult, but I really did try. This tutorial was so much fun. It's definitely out of my comfort zone. I don't usually do like makeup tutorials like this where I have like bright red underneath my eyes, so be sure to let me know what you guys think in the comments. I love you guys so much, and let's get started. So I'm going to be taking a warm tone bronzer like this one, and I'm going to be taking a big fluffy brush like this and putting it all over my eyelids. Taking a crease brush and a matte dark brown shade like this, I'm going to line my lower, not line, but kind of put a little bit of color on the bottom half of my crease in kind of the outer V. It's going to give my eye shape a lot more definition, but you don't want this to be too dark, so just kind of like a subtle bit of brown. To blend everything out, I'm going to take this transition shade. So I'm going to take a pencil liner. This is just from Urban Decay. I believe this is in the shade 0. Take a little bit and put it on my top lash line and kind of smudge it and smoke it out a little bit. Now onto the fun part. We're taking the Colourpop. This is the Strawberry Shake palette. I'm super excited for this. I'm going to be taking the shade Very Fine and Woke mainly in this whole eye look. I'm basically going to use Woke as a transition shade while I use Very Fine to do the red shade. So first I'm going to start off with the lighter shade, which is Woke, and I'm going to take a brush like this. It's kind of like a fluffy crease brush but bigger because it's still going underneath your eyes. You want the smaller brush. So I'm just going to be starting off the look by kind of placing where I want the red color to be. And now I'm going to go in with the darker red shade in Very Fine. I'm going to use my most concentrated amount up higher to my eyelids and then kind of blend it downwards. I'm going to take this Wet n Wild palette right here and this Brick Red. I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm going to try to make, I like the look so far. I just want to make this top part a little bit more red because mine looks a little bit more pink. So I'm going to try to deepen it up just a little bit. To kind of just blend everything out so it doesn't look too crazy, I'm going to take a brush like this and just kind of sweep it back and forth. That's as close as I'm gonna get to her red. And then for her lippy, she uses kind of like a light, like a really light, if you had like a red oil gloss, I feel like that would be perfect. I don't have that, so we're gonna recreate that today. We're gonna use the Nivea Cherry Lip Balm. I love this lip balm, or the strawberry one, whichever one you have. Any red lip balm that's actually pigmented will do. And then I'm gonna go in with a clear lip gloss. And this is just from Wet n Wild. This is the finished results. Let me know how you guys think I did in the comments below. It was definitely really interesting. I've never done a makeup look like this ever before. Obviously, it's very new to me, and I feel like I wouldn't call this a perfect match, but it was a cute little recreation I did. Let me know in the comments how you think I did, and also if you haven't yet, watch my reaction to the new How You Like That music video. I'll leave the link for you guys to actually stream the music video down in the description bar as well. When I'm filming this right now, the music video has not been released yet. It's going to be released tonight at 2 a.m. in the morning. So I don't know when this video will be up. If it's up before the music video drops, I will link it afterwards. But if it's up afterwards, then obviously the music video link will be in the description bar. I love you guys so much. And please give this video a thumbs up for me and leave in the comments down below who you want me to recreate next. And I'll talk to you next time. Bye!